Today we have the ZapWay pool alarm. Okay, this has an app. It also has a unit over there, which we'll go look at in a minute. It comes with some things to mount this in your pool, because it's supposed to be in a specific location in your pool, depending on the shape of your pool, okay? The app is real easy to use. You just set it up like any other app, set up using a password. This is the unit that's supposed to be like inside the house or under a cover. This is plugged in, basically on all the time. You could just use this, basically to put it in swim mode, put it in off mode, or put it on mode. So basically on mode is the mode where it's going to sense if someone falls into the pool. You can also use the app, so you have on, off, and swim mode. You have your sensitivities there. You can also see some of the settings here, do not disturb. There's some alarm duration, some startup durations, and things like that. Okay, firmware upgrade right there. You see I'm on the latest firmware. So that's that. Now we'll go over to the pool. We'll leave all electronics here. I'll kind of show you the unit. So this is the unit here. Okay, and this is the part that basically has to be mounted somewhere, depending on the size of your pool, in a certain location. So based on my pool and my jet layout, it said it should be here. So this is the unit here. This is probably going to go off when I pick it up, but it basically is tethered on your pool. This has batteries built into it, not built into it, but in it. You can see you just basically pull this 2 screws out and you put your batteries in, and this basically just floats in your pool and detects if someone goes to swimming, depending on the sensitivities and things like that and what mode you have it on. All right, so that is the ZapWay pool alarm. Make your pool safer. I'm out.